My group's research is about embedding ethics, privacy, equality into data science processes. The problem is that to have large-scale, impactful data science, you need information. And in many, many cases, you need information from people. And that creates huge challenges.
My research is about developing algorithms for AI in the medical domain and in the well-being domain. We developed ways to apply neural networks to encrypt the data so that we can preserve the privacy while getting all the value that the neural networks can give.
My research discusses the development of tools for dealing with violation of individual rights in the digital age. I'm conducting my research as part of a PhD in the Lab for Law, Data Science and Digital Ethics at the Faculty of Law at Bar-Ilan University, under the supervision of Professor Itai Bar-Simantov and Dr. Ayelet Sela. As part of my research, and in an attempt to find tools to make the terms of service and privacy policy of digital apps more accessible, I use machine learning and natural language processing tools.
Our research focuses on responsible AI. We take these general, broad terms and develop methodologies that allow professionals from both disciplines, law on the one hand and tech and data science on the other hand, to promote responsible AI.
Collecting people's data might infringe on their privacy. It could also infringe on people's copyrights and intellectual property. And our project tries to analyze those challenges, to understand how data science processes work in practice, and then to suggest and evaluate new technical solutions to solve those problems.
We are trying to develop the tool that will allow us to harness the value in the medical data to help people with personalized medicine, with getting better treatment for their condition, as well as helping people changing behaviors such as eating better, coping with stress, managing their diets, and so on.
My first article introduces a novel conceptual framework and comprehensive typology for analyzing ethical risks in the terms of service and privacy policy of mobile apps. My second article created a proposal for a digital data services law in Israel.
With the support of the Shamgar Center for Digital Law and Innovation at the Faculty of Law here at Tel Aviv University, we were able to translate the research into a course. The course is actually a joint course with multiple institutions. We plan to scale the network of academic institutions involved in hopes of using the positive effect of this research over as many students and stakeholders around the world as possible.
Tel Aviv University has an amazing interdisciplinary infrastructure, and our project creates multidisciplinary teams with researchers from social sciences, for example, and engineering, from law faculty and computer science, and try to solve all of these challenges together.
I think one of the great things here in Tel Aviv is that most medical institutes in Israel and most facilities are very nearby. So we can actually meet face-to-face with the medical staff, with the patient, work together on the data, analyze it, both the technical people and the clinical people, share ideas and get to the new knowledge that we're seeking. And this is something very special to Tel Aviv especially, and to Israel in the more broader sense.